Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Haven't done this in a while. So I've been gaining slowly a few more subscribers. Thank you very much to all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers for hanging around. Let me dust this off a little bit. And we're going to do a Sunday morning cars and coffee. So I got my coffee here. Ooh. Big old cup of steaming Joe. And what you see sitting in front of you is the Revell 1990 Mustang notchback. Supposed to be a drag racer. I did not build it as a drag racer. I built it as a street machine. Let's see. 3D printed wheels and tires from Z-Force. I think that's what it's called. Hold on. It is called, yep, Z-Force Model Works. They do some really nice 3D prints. And they do mostly wheels and tires. Although, yeah, I think mostly wheels and tires. I don't think he does a lot of other stuff. But he does create files for other people to utilize and make his wheels and tires. So anyway, sitting on Z-Force rims and tires. Basically a box stock build other than the wheels and tires. Let's see. Okay, get that off there. I did do some ignition wires. There's an MSD box in there. The interior is box stock. I used the racing seats, no back seat, the roll cage. The underneath is basic. Like I said, all box stock. And I didn't want to put the big graphics on it. This is a Ford color. It's the Ford teal blue. It's a Scale Finishes paint. It came out okay. My paint work leaves a lot to be desired, but it's okay. I enjoy the modeling. That's the main thing. So this one I painted last year summertime, and then it sat. And I didn't get a chance to paint everything else before the winter came. So I just let the body sit, and I had some other cars painted up that I built or completed. So I got this one. Just got this one finished. So I hope everybody has a great weekend. It's been cold, windy here in South Dakota. When you see the clouds moving at like 10 miles an hour, you know it's windy outside. Not too much rain. We had rain a couple days ago, thunderstorms, but it's been not bad, clearing up some, but still, like I said, windy, overcast, and everything. But yeah, I haven't done a Sunday model cars and coffee in a long time. But I just want to thank Paul over at Left Coast Model Builds for hosting this again. So anyway, everybody have a great weekend. Enjoy your day. Hopefully you get some bench time, some time with your families, and everybody take care and be kind. Okay? Thanks. Bye.